In this video, Polynomials 3, what I'll be doing is that I'm going to solve another nested parentheses question. If the previous one was very easy and you don't need more practice, you can skip through this. Otherwise, I suggest that write down the question, pause the video, solve it, and then come back to the answer. So again, here we have nested brackets. If you recall from the previous one, this set gets the first priority, then this guy, then that guy. Why is this one in brackets? I have no idea. We sometimes use brackets just for organization. The main reason we have to use them is that if there's a coefficient or a negative sign right in front of it, which needs to be distributed. So here, right over here, you understand that that set of brackets can just go. We don't need to keep it, eh? But I'm not going to touch that. I'm going to start with these ones. These look complicated, eh? What I'm going to do is that I'm going to start focusing from the most inner ones and just find my way out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start working on this part. Well, again, there's nothing here, right? There's nothing here, but I can start working from that too. Let's decide what we want to do. Okay, I'm just going to go focus here first. These guys. And the negative going to go inside, and we're going to get rid of that brackets. What is our goal? Our goal is to get rid of the bracket signs. It's going to be negative 6t, negative p2, plus x. Negative and negative, positive, negative and positive, negative, negative and negative. Okay? That part is dealt with. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write this thing down, right? And I want to focus here. Do I need to keep that bracket? No, there's nothing in front of it. So we're just going to go 6p2 minus x minus 9. That's a very clear message there for us. We need to simplify that. Let's simplify that. Can we? We can't even simplify that. Okay, I'm just going to go keep you. And there's nothing here, right? So I'm going to draw this and draw that. Get rid of this. Because there's nothing to be multiplied, eh? This negative is right outside here. I'm not dealing with that yet. So I just get rid of that bracket. So it was for us just to get rid of those brackets. These brackets are staying for no reason. This one was there because of the negative. These are just for organization, right? It's just like me. I went to IKEA. I learned that, I heard that the way to organize is to have a lot of baskets, right? So I went to IKEA and I bought a ton of baskets. What happened was that I ended up with too many baskets. So I was storing baskets inside baskets, right? And that's what I see. Just that reminds me of that. We're just putting brackets inside brackets, sometimes just for organization, sometimes because we just have extra brackets. Why did we just have this here? I'm going to rewrite the question and you're going to see that these were super extra. I really love this question because it teaches a lot of things to us. I'm going to redo this in a different way. Okay, so we had 6p2 minus x minus 9 minus 6t minus p2 and plus x. Yay, now that's a question we can work with. What are you going to spot? Like terms. 6p2 and minus p2. These are like terms. Let's just put them together. 6p2 minus p2. Do you see any other like terms? I see fantastic ones. You're going to see why I loved it. Look. Let's just say negative x, positive x. Don't you love them? Negative x and positive x, two opposites. Haha. We don't even have to deal with them. And then the 6t, negative 6t, gone. Negative 9 just comes down. I still like to keep that. Let me just write my question neat and clear. Again, now you know that we don't even have to keep that bracket there. Just got rid of it. I'm not still looking at that. I'm still looking inside my bracket. I'm just blocking that guy. I don't want to deal with that yet. I just want to work with that. So what is 6p2 minus p2? We had 6 p2s and we lost one of the p2s. So we have 5p2. It's not proper English. Don't put ds. Negative x plus x, you know why I'm excited, right? They cancel each other. Opposite terms cancel each other. We don't have to do anything for them. And negative 6t just copies and negative 9 just copies. That's it, eh? And now let's just rewrite again. We don't have to keep it as this. We could have just replaced it with a simple bracket. I'm just going to keep it. What do we have to do? Distribute the negative inside. Go inside, go inside, go inside. Distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. Let's say -1 will multiply, the signs would change. Minus 5p2 plus 6t plus 9t minus 5x. Some good progress. Now we need to organize, collect the like terms. Again, if that's overwhelming, just cover it up. You don't need to deal with what you've done all the time. Yeah, that's the question now. Let's not get traumatized. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna go maybe, what like terms do you see, by the way? I see t and I see plus 6t. So what do we have? We have 1 cup of tea here and 6 cups of tea there. What do we have? 7 t's. Yep. 70. 7t here. And then the rest are not like terms. We're just going to go and write them down. There we go. We solved it, eh? We solved it. So it was not hard. It was just too many things. Again, can I go any further with this? No, I can't. Why can't I? These are not like terms. These are just 4 different types of things. That's it, done. I want to look at that question once more, and I want to tell you that we could have got rid of the brackets, like pretty much a lot of them, immediately. It was just my story. The brackets had been on sale, so we just went shopping and bought too many brackets. That bracket, let's just look at this and just get rid of those brackets as if we don't need them. I'm giving it a second look. So it's going to be t minus 5x. I see a negative in a bracket. It needs to stay. This bracket needs to stay because there's a negative and bracket. Then I go here, nothing in front of this. So this can go. Nothing in front of this, that can go. So just going to go write it down as 6p2 minus x minus 9. That's it. This bracket needs to stay because there is a negative and a bracket. Negative 6t plus p2 minus x. So you can rewrite the question. You can regenerate the question in a format that looks simpler and easier for you, right? So what do we have to do? 1, and then simplify this if we can, and then 2. That's it. See you on the next video.